Hi! Good evening! So, ayan. After hospital duty, it's time for me to face, no? Haharapin ko naman ngayon ang teaching duty ko. Ayan. So, naligo na ako para naman fresh na magturo ngayon. So, I have my class at 7 o'clock until 10:30 this evening. Okay, so fresh tayo ngayon. Short video lang gagawin ko. Kasi I have to set up muna yung aking mga gagamitin. So, mag-test tayo kung okay yung connection, okay yung microphone, speaker, and camera. Hello? Okay siya. And then the speaker. Maririnig nyo? And then the camera. Alright, set natin. And even the lightning kasi kailangan pag dito okay yan. Pero pag dito medyo madilim. So we need to turn on our ring light para ready na mamaya. Okay. And ready natin ang ating backup. Baka mag-brown out. Okay, equipment check out done. Alright, so we are ready to teach na later. So, okay naman ng audio, my connection, and then yung speed. Okay. So, yeah. 15 minutes na lang. I will start na. So, dun muna. Bye!